So I have a problem. I really needed to shoot this video, but I got an eyebrow microblading touch-up yesterday. My eyebrows are super dark and I look like a Muppet. I look like Bert in his prime when he was young. 1980s Bert. But I really needed to shoot this video today so I can get it out on time. So just don't look at my eyebrows. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if there's one body part that has been neglected during quarantine, it's the lower half of our faces. I mean, quarantine has had us like... So I was looking around the internet for a really good lip care product. And for months now, Truly Beauty has been slathered all over my Instagram feed. And when I saw that they had a lip kit, I was pretty excited by that. So today's video, I'm gonna be trying for the first time and reviewing the greatest lips of all time kit. I'm just gonna start this video by saying and being completely open and honest with you guys. I'm already a little bit mad at Truly. We got started off on the wrong foot entirely. The shipping and customer service leaves a lot to be desired. I ordered my product on March 3rd. I believe it was a Thursday. When I ordered that product, I ordered it priority shipping. Because I was really excited to shoot this video, really excited to try the products. My lips were falling apart, they were super crusty. By March 6th, I still hadn't received any kind of shipping notice. And I got an email saying, you know, hey, we're backed up because of COVID, etc, etc, etc. I was like, okay, bet, like, we're all in this together. March 10th, I hadn't received any shipping notice. I called them and it went to a voicemail, but not like a regular business voicemail. It was like a cell phone type voicemail. It was like, please leave a message after the beep kind of voicemail. And I was like, I'm not gonna do that because nobody's gonna call me back. Based on the caliber of that voicemail, nobody's gonna call me back. So I emailed them March 10th, and then on March 16th is when I got a response. That email said, hey, we're backed up. We apologize for that, but also one of the products that you ordered
is out of stock.
And I was like, you know what?
If you're angry and you know it, count your numbers.
Cancel that product. On March 23rd, that's when I got the shipping notice. It ultimately arrived on March 26th, 23 days from the day I ordered this product. I just wanted to start with that so that you guys can get an idea of what the shipping customer service is like, and also so we can acknowledge my intrinsic biases against this company as I review their products. I have promised myself to keep an open mind about the products and to kind of separate that from my experience with the company so far. I'm hoping to love these products. So opening the packaging, it was a little bit underwhelming, the packaging. It was just a cardboard box with everything inside kind of wrapped up. There was no like thank you card. There were not even like really like instructions in the box. I love the actual look of the products. Well, love might be strong. I strongly like the look of the products. So here are the liquids. So these are how the bottles look. The jarred products also look pretty nice as well. So let's get into actually using the products. All right, so let me just start by showing you what the state of my lips looks like. Honestly, guys, they haven't been in good shape for about a year. That's embarrassing. But yeah, my lips are constantly like dry, constantly peeling. I've tried some lip masks, like overnight lip masks, but I don't use it consistently. So I was really looking for something that I could use a little bit more consistently, but also something that felt like a little bit more pampering than just slapping on some grease before you go to bed. So let me show you up close what my lips are currently looking like so that we can get a before. There's some dryness here. Definitely lots of folds. There's like this layer of dead skin here that's kind of rough. So, yeah. All right, so step one, according to the website, is lip scrub. So it says massage small amount onto clean lip and rinse with a damp washcloth. Can be used 2 to 3 times a week. So let's start. So this is our lip scrub. So opening it up, that's cute. That's really cute. So the inside kind of looks like this cute little swirl. Let's take a little bit of it. So the texture is like really kind of, it's kind of like a whipped butter. I love how everything that I compare products to is like food. That's what I know well, so well. All right, so I'm gonna take a little bit of the scrub. This is the amount I'm gonna be using. Oh, it feels really nice. It feels really nice. It actually feels like, it really does feel like butter. Oh my kidding. It's very smooth. It's very like kind of oily, but right off the bat, I am noticing that it doesn't have enough exfoliation to actually remove the dead skin off of my lips. The beads are so far apart, I'm not really getting a good rub.
Tastes good though.
I have my damp washcloth and we're gonna wipe this off. Okay, so overall, right now my lips feel softer. Definitely softer, but there's a ton of, I can feel it. There's like still a ton of dead skin on here. The softer is good. So our next step is to apply the lip serum. It says apply 1 to 2 drops onto clean lip, massage in as you would with a lip balm. Let it absorb and then follow up with the lip oil. So let's get the lip serum. And we're gonna do 1 to 2 drops. So let's see the consistency of this is, it's liquidy but thicker than like water. Lips gently parted. So we're gonna rub it in until it absorbs. Okay. That tastes nasty. That tastes gross. I don't want to be so negative, but I'm just being honest. I need to be honest. I gotta be honest. Nothing that goes on your lips should taste like that ever. It's bitter. So that's the lip plumping serum. And then it says follow up with the lip oil. So, okay. The thing that I like about this, my lips feel super soft. They feel really nice right now. They feel smooth, but I can still feel that layer of dead skin that I showed you. But overall, they feel really soft. I really like that. And they're not greasy. So next, the lip oil. 1 to 2 drops. Massage in as you would with the lip balm. Let it absorb, follow up with the lip butter. 1, 2, there we go. So I haven't tasted this one, but I'm getting the vapor. It's a very fruity kind of vapor. It's weird. It's like an oil, but it's absorbing. Like I've never had an oil that kind of disappears. Like if you were to rub like coconut oil on or olive oil, whatever you use to moisturize, like it always just sits there forever. But this is like an oil and it's actually like dissolving into my lips. So you can see, like my lips they honestly look like, they look better. I'm pretty surprised by that. They look better. Okay. So this is the lip butter. Okay. Apply throughout the day when your lips need nourishment. Wear this tingling balm alone or follow up with your favorite lip gloss. So this has peppermint and hyaluronic acid in it. So the lip butter looks like that. Same kind of texture as the scrub actually, like a whipped butter. So I'm just gonna use like this much and put it on. The reason why I look confused right now is because it has some texture to it. So I was wondering if I accidentally used the scrub, but this is definitely the butter. And it has like grains in it, and I don't know if that's intentional. I have a feeling that these are the exact same product, but one of them has like beads in it. I have a strong feeling. These are like too similar. I'm suspicious. So that was the whole product kit. So let me read for you the description and what the GLOAT kit is supposed to achieve for you. So it says, meet your lips new, ride, or dry. What? Meet your lips new, ride, or dry.
That's weird.
GLOAT, the greatest lips of all time. We've teamed up with Chantel Jeffries, DJ model, authority figure on kissable, Instagrammable, ready lips, to bring you the 4-step daily lip savior kit for a plumper, juicier set of luscious lips. It's supposed to be exfoliating, moisturizing, and plumping. Those are the main claims of this product. Did the product achieve the claims? So moisturizing, yes, I would say definitely moisturizing. My lips actually feel pretty darn good right now. They feel great, actually. I'm pleasantly surprised. In terms of exfoliation, this kind of dropped the ball for me. Like I said, the beads are like too few and far between. It's too much of a slippery, kind of greasy product that's good for hydration, I would say, but for my lips, I need kind of a stronger exfoliating product. Plumping? No, child. No, honey. There was no... Well, I'll let you guys know. You don't need to decide. I've decided there's no plumping. There's no plumping involved. I don't feel like any kind of tingle or anything, you know, any kind of... I feel a tingle in the back of my throat because I think I swallowed too much of the product. But on my lips, I don't really feel like a tingle. I don't feel like any kind of juiciness, buffering. So overall, would I recommend this product? Probably not. The reasons for that are as follows. 1, the shipping and customer service was... I try to be nice, I try to be a good person, but it ranged from a hot mess to a dumpster fire. I would not go through that again unless the product was insanely good. And the product, I would say, is decent, but nowhere near insane. So for me, 2 out of the 3 claims that they made about this product didn't really come to fruition. It's not necessarily worth it for me to go through the journey of getting the product with the shipping and with the customer service and not to receive all that they promised. Packaging was okay, but left a lot to be desired. So I think overall this product has a little bit more style rather than substance. My general thoughts are that it's a little bit gimmicky, and I probably wouldn't buy it again, and I probably wouldn't recommend it to you guys, and I wish there was more redemption in this video. Not everything's gonna be a win. So guys, thank you so much for joining me on today's beauty adventure. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that it was informative for you, and I hope that now you have a little bit more information to decide if you want to try the GLOAT kit. I recommend that you don't. So don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment below this video. Let me know if you've tried the kit and if you have any thoughts about it too. And let me know if there's anything else that you want me to try. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can join me on my next beauty adventure. Okay guys, bye.